Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a teddy bear hairpin, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round circle here. Now draw the ears. Just following with me slowly. Now draw two round big eyes. Insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now just following with me, draw a line here and a straight line to the right. Now we have a teddy bear hairpin. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.